So that was how I was able to get these models to model my brand for free, for completely free, no hidden charges. Oh my god. Now this video is gonna be a quick one. I just thought to come on here and share to other business owners who might need this tip. And it's just the beginning of the year, so yeah, you might as well grab this information right now if you are into any kind of business that deals with physical products, because you are going to need it. Okay, as a business owner that is working so hard to create brand awareness for my brand online, and I deal with physical products, most of the time I need to have models, or at least people holding my product in their hands, just to show that, oh you who can me. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Okay, so I found a way to get free models for your business. Now when I'm talking about free models, I'm talking about models like this, models like this, models like this, and this, and this, and this. And yes, what you see them holding are my product, my own product. Check the name, everything. It is my product. And I was able to get them to model my brand for free, for completely free. If you're a small business owner, you will not want to pass by this video. Now before I go into how I was able to achieve all this, make sure you do well to click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I'm dropping tips so all the time. And yes, stay tuned, watch this video to the very end. I am going to hold you by the hand until you are able to get models that will also model your own brand for free. Okay. Hey royals, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Cleo and you are welcome to the Empress space. Now this video is gonna be like a tutorial kind of video, because yes, I know that I haven't given that away already, and with the way these images are looking extra realistic, you guys are gonna be like, where did you really get all these models? Would you believe that these are actually AI generated images? But the crazy fact is that they were able to actually present my product. So how exactly were they able to present my product? I am going to show you that in this video. Now I'm going to be sharing my screen, obviously, to take you through the step on how I actually generated these images to be so realistic and giving the 100% what I needed to give. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing my screen right now. Do well to follow through to the tutorial, and yes, like this video, like this video, like this video. This is taking a lot of effort, so please like this video, and also share this video. Most importantly, share it to other business owners, share it to anybody who might want to watch this kind of video at this point in time. Honestly, share this video to your friends, to your family, to your loved ones, to your well-wishers. Okay, share it to everybody, because we need to learn and we also need to like improve our life. AI is here for us to use it, not for us to be against it. Okay, you just have to learn how to use which AI for what. Okay, so that is what we are going to be learning in this video. And yes, let me take you guys through the step by step. I'm going to be sharing my screen right now, so yeah, I'm going to see you all later, but hear me for now. Now you are welcome to the tutorial. When you go to your phone, you have to locate your browser. You obviously can use Google or Chrome, depending on whatever one you have. If you're using an iOS, try Safari, and then you are going to type image fx. When you type it, you search for it. The first one is what you are going to click on, that first one right there. Okay, and then we are going to give it time to open up. Yes, it has to open up, but before that, it's going to obviously ask you to choose an email from which you're going to be working with. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and choose one email right now, and yes, we are officially signed in into the image fx. Now I'm going to quickly
take you guys through the interface of this image effect. So these are the necessary inputs you're going to see. There's input, there's edit history, and then the settings. Most importantly, this is where you come to actually choose the size of your image. So if you want your image to appear in portrait, you're going to choose portrait 9:16. But if you want it in landscape, you're going to choose landscape 16:9. Okay, now we are going to go ahead to go to input, which is where we'll be giving this AI our prompt. So basically this prompt is going to determine the outcome of our image, right? So I'm gonna start with generate a realistic image of a model. Yeah, right. Like, one thing you guys need to know is that when giving any AI your prompt, be it ChatGPT, be it Image FX, wherever you are, you must be well detailed. Okay, like, give it to the tiniest bit of detail. That is how you are going to get your desired results. Okay, without giving these AIs the tiniest bit of details, you are going to lose it all. You are not going to get your desired result. So just like my prompt is saying, generate a realistic image of a young caramel skinned female model sitting in her closet in front of a vanity. Now the idea I have here is to have a model holding up my perfume, okay, because I do have a perfume. We do make perfumes also in Cleopatra Empire, so I want this model to be holding up a bottle of my perfume. Okay, so I'm going to give them all the description of the perfume and everything it has, so that it can be able to come up with the actual result that I want. So my model should be sitting in front of a vanity with makeup items on the table. She should be holding up in one of her hands a luxurious perfume bottle. Now you see how detailed I'm being with this prompt. That is exactly how detailed you need to be in order for you to get a very, very realistic image. Okay, if you're obviously making this image for a physical product that you already have, you need to describe your product and how it looks exactly. Describe it and how it looks. Now the key factor here is to always tell this AI, generate a realistic image. Okay, don't just say generate an image. It's going to give you something that is good but is not so realistic. Okay, if it's people, the models or whatever, they will not be looking like real human beings. Okay, so always add that realistic, so that way it knows that you want a human-like image. Okay, so now I said a luxurious perfume bottle with the inscription Patra scents, because that is the name for my perfume, as the heading. Okay, now it knows that this is the main. Just give them your prompts. Okay, prompt engineering is the key to working with any AI. Prompt engineering, know what to say to them, know what to say to these AIs. Okay, so I said this perfume bottle should look popping in the image, and our model should have a satisfied look on her face. Okay, your prompt is everything. I cannot emphasize this enough. So let's quickly go ahead to finishing up our prompt, and then I cannot wait to see the image that I'm going to get from this prompt. Now if you haven't done that already, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share to anybody who would find it useful. Also leave in the comment section if you already knew about this AI, and most importantly where you're watching me from. So I went ahead to tell it, now make the whole closet luxury, aesthetically pleasing. Yes, because come on, like at Cleopatra Empire we only deal with luxury. Okay, although you get luxury for less, my brand is just all about that. And her outfit, yeah, just like I said, everything down to the tiniest details, the clothes you want the models to wear or the image to appear in, whatever, anything, the color, the feel of the room, the aesthetic of the room, if it is an outdoor image, how you want everything to look. So I said and her luxury robe as well, designed with a Louis Vuitton. And then I've already instructed the AI to generate this. Oh my god, oh my god. Now this is the image that it gave me with this prompt, and do you guys see that? I'm going to zoom in a little while, but first To download, you are going to click that download icon there, which is what I obviously clicked now, and then there's this notification on my phone that the file has been downloaded. Now I want to generate another image with this same prompt, but now I want 2 models instead of 1. I want 2 models instead of 1 now, so I'm going to say generate Ariel, and then I'll remove the A, ask it to do what, generate the image, and whoo. And it's so crazy how most of the time these images look alike, so you actually think that it's a real model, like it's not always changing face or changing whatever. I've downloaded this now, so quickly let's go to my gallery to see what I was able to come up with. This is the second image. It's looking good, but not really to my liking, because I think with the other lady standing beside this one, whatever. This is the first image, and I am so in love with this. This is the first image. Now look at this image properly. The room, the model where she's sitting, and the perfume bottle that she is holding, and this is the second image. Let me know what you guys think.
So that's basically what it entails. I hope we learned something. Yes, please do well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, share, comment. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know if you already know about this particular AI and how it works. And yes, if this is your first time learning it also, let me know. Let me know, most importantly, where you are watching me from. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye, Royals.